This is Mukilan, Narendra Prasad, Madhu, and Kausalya from Team 4 who are going to talk about the Corona awareness. We all know that, guys. COVID 19, which is originated from China, had become a global pandemic by infecting people of almost all the world. Human civilization are facing threat for their survival and livelihoods. No countries are getting relief and solution from this pandemic, rather and convening their citizens to make aware of this. Here our teammates going to talk about some awareness about COVID-19.
Educate yourself about COVID-19 information from reliable source. Avoid traveling if you have fever or cough or sneeze into your sleep. Take extra protection to avoid crowd areas if you are over 60. If you feel unwell, stay at home and call doctor.
Now it is very clear that COVID-19 is creating a very disaster effect globally with India. People are getting panicked, emotionally insecure, depressed and in a stage of confusion, unaware about the facilities provided by the government. They are aware of virus infection symptoms, so government encourage the people and boost their morale in this third time. We have all made sacrifice over the past 2 years to keep our families and communities safe. This collective effort has made a huge difference. While restrictions are being lifted in some places, COVID-19 is not gone yet. We must continue to protect ourselves and each other.
Tips to protect yourself. Wash your hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Avoid touching your eyes, nose and mouth with unwashed hands. Avoid close contact with people who are sick. Put distance between yourself and other people if COVID-19 is spreading in your community. Stay home if you are sick. Cover your mouth and nose with the tissue when you cough and sneeze. Throw used tissues in a trash. Put distance between yourself and other people if COVID-19 is spreading in your community. If soap and water are not readily available, use hand sanitizer that contains at least 6% of alcohol.
Without our involvement, nothing is impossible. So we regularly wear masks and maintain a social distance to prevent coronavirus. At last, thank you all for giving us a